Hello everyone, this is Akshay Kore here. As a part of the final project of the course Data Visualization and Communication using Tableau, I will be presenting today certain recommendations for Dognition business process change based on the data given for analysis. So let us begin. Firstly, let us understand what Dognition is all about and what are the products that Dognition currently offers. Dognition basically offers fun and science-based games to help reveal how your dog sees the outer world. The more you play, the more you will discover about how the mind of your dog works. After playing Dognition games, you can discover your dog's Dognition profile. Each of the 9 profiles represents a distinct combination of characteristics that shapes your dog's approach to everyday life. Now let us know what are the products that are offered by Dognition. Here you can see there are 3 packages currently offered by Dognition. The first is assessment package, which costs around $29 one time. The second one is the yearly package, which is $79, and monthly $29 package. Here you can see a yearly package has some expert tips and tricks, and it is 50% off for additional dogs. Now let us move ahead to the analysis part. Now we know that dogs are really smart. How the dog interact with the world using their cognitive strategy is what Dognition helps the user with. And how does Dognition go forward with this? How can they help users to learn and promote more? How can they do predictive analysis and provide recommendation for the users? So the business problem is that we are trying to address is how can we get more data. So Dognition is basically requesting ideas that would increase the number of tests completed in an attempt to gather more data for research. So what is our smart objective? The smart objective will be to identify high usage areas around the world where Dognition products are currently offered and identify key demographics to apply targeted marketing strategies in order to increase the number of tests completed by 10% in the upcoming quarter. Now let us see the global distribution of the tests. From this visualization, we can clearly see the dominance of US in conducting the tests than any other country. You can clearly see that US has over 1,21,000 tests completed and the other countries are nowhere near. Canada, you can see it is just 7,000 tests, Russia 27 tests, China 52, India 38. So again, which are the states that are more dominant in US? We can see the number of tests completed by California is around 17,000, and this is the distribution. The maximum package selected is the first package followed by annual package. Again in Northern Carolina, you can see annual package is most preferred. But here we can clearly see that there is no global presence of Dognition. So this slide shows the number of tests conducted in 2013, 14 and 15. Clearly we can see that October 2014 is the outlier here. Close to over 4,000 tests on an average were done in the month of October. The management needs to investigate more on the promotion and marketing strategies used during this period. Now here we can see which game had the maximum records, which further tells us that which game was enjoyed most by the dogs and their users. We can see the yawn game was the most preferred. Pure breed was most preferred by pure breed, mixed breed and crossbreed. Here we can see all these games, these are less preferred. We can also see the category of games that was enjoyed the most. We can see empathy is the most enjoyed subcategory of games, followed by communication, and all these subcategories are less enjoyed. So the management can clearly focus on initiatives to completely change or revive the games that are not currently enjoyed. Finally, I go to the conclusion part. My recommendations for Dognation business change would be: firstly, the variation in games. Help develop the interest of users and dogs by changing the type of games that are played less frequently. Then focus on location. Identifying geographical areas where dog owners are not aware of the Dognation products and tie up with the local vets to hand out Dognation flyers to them. And finally, timely communication. Having known when the users are most active, a targeted quick communication through SMS or social media might push the users to complete all the tests. Thanks a lot.